am here in the kitchen today. Do not be alarmed, I have notified the paramedics. I didn't get any beef this year. I do have pork, but you know, I want some good red meat. So I bought this. It is a kit, and I do have some carrots and celery that that I can add to it. But it's a roasting kit, and it's bleeding, following the directions, because it's snowing out, if you haven't noticed. We are going to go ahead and put this beautiful little roast. Should be plenty for one person and then some. We're going to cook this beautiful little roast. Now, this comes with a flavor packet and instructions. I'm going to hold the instructions over here while I read it. It says slow cooker, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this over the wood stove because it's cold out. It is 30 degrees outside right now, so I might as well use the fire to my advantage. Remove beef from package and place in 4-quart slow cooker. Remove the vegetables from package and place in the slow cooker over the beef. I can do that. La, 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 la. Wow, that onion seems a little big. But we're slow cooking it, so maybe I'll just cut it in half. Quarter. Just so it all gets cooked down good. Okay, and 2 cups of water, seasoning packet. That smells good. Combine seasoning packet with 2 cups of water and pour into slow cooker. Cook on low. Into slow cooker. We want all that we can to get around that meat. And because I'm going to be cooking this for so long, I'm just going to rinse this out, add a little more water. I don't mind adding water. Really don't. I don't mind adding water, because water will evaporate. Cook on low for approximately 10 to 11 hours or on high for 4 to 6 hours. We're going to go with the 4 to 6. Right now it is 10:35 a.m. We're going to put that right on there. Actually, I want that now. As long as it cooks down so it can get in the water good. Okay, putting the lid on. Setting it on the stove. Now, the stove is saying that it's a lot hotter than my aimed thermometer will read. And now we're going to use our magic spell and say, hey Google, set a timer for 6 hours.
6 hours, and that's starting now.
Beauteous to the Maximus. All right, guys. We will be back in 4 to 6 hours. But for you, it'll be a snap. Okay, guys, we are back, and I have the roast here. And let's see if I can get this. Oh, that smell. Ooh, that smell. Can't you smell that smell? Got a meat thermometer here. I'm going to stick it in out to the middle. Got to be 145. 140, 150, 160, 170. Okay, she's well done for beef or pork. I really didn't want it well done. Oh, falling right apart. Now my only problem, the pork goes right into the potatoes good. Want some onions. Alright guys, there you have it. From 10:30 to 4 p.m. and it's well done. I did not have to cook it that long over my wood stove. Save propane and all that good stuff. Hey guys, check out the links in the description. There's merch, there's all sorts of good stuff. Right down to the link to buy this pot. A pot like it. Y'all have a great day. Stay fed, and God bless.